Glucoberry, your natural solution for healthy blood sugar levels. In today's fast-paced world, where our lives are often filled with hectic schedules and on-the-go meals, managing our blood sugar levels has become increasingly crucial. Fluctuations in blood sugar can have a significant impact on our overall well-being and can lead to various health challenges. This is where Glucoberry comes into play, a natural supplement that offers a promising solution to support healthy blood sugar levels. Understanding the importance of blood sugar regulation. Blood sugar, or blood glucose, is a sugar that the bloodstream carries to all cells in the body to supply energy. However, maintaining stable blood sugar levels is essential for optimal health. When blood sugar levels spike or plummet drastically, it can lead to a range of issues, including fatigue, mood swings, excessive hunger, and even more severe health concerns over time. The role of Glucoberry. Glucoberry is a cutting-edge dietary supplement formulated to assist in stabilizing blood sugar levels naturally. Crafted from a blend of meticulously chosen herbal ingredients, Glucoberry aims to provide a holistic approach to blood sugar management. Let's delve into some of the key benefits that Glucoberry offers. Blood sugar regulation. Achieving stable blood sugar levels is at the core of what Glucoberry does best. The ingredients in Glucoberry work synergistically to slow down the absorption of glucose from food, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar levels after meals. Insulin sensitivity. Glucoberry contains compounds that have been linked to improved insulin sensitivity. This means that cells become more responsive to insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar. Improved insulin sensitivity can contribute to more stable blood sugar levels. Antioxidant support. Several ingredients in Glucoberry possess antioxidant properties, which can help combat oxidative stress and inflammation often associated with blood sugar imbalances. By reducing oxidative stress, Glucoberry supports overall metabolic health. Energy levels. Balanced blood sugar levels are closely tied to sustained energy throughout the day. Glucoberry's formula is designed to promote the steady release of energy by preventing rapid fluctuations in blood sugar levels. Natural ingredients. One of the standout features of Glucoberry is its use of natural ingredients. From traditional herbs to modern plant extracts, each component is selected for its potential to contribute to healthier blood sugar levels. Incorporating Glucoberry into your routine. Incorporating Glucoberry into your daily routine is a simple and convenient way to prioritize your blood sugar health. However, it's important to remember that supplements work best when combined with a balanced diet and an active lifestyle. Consulting with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your regimen is recommended, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Conclusion. In a world where health challenges are becoming increasingly prevalent, taking proactive steps to manage our well-being is essential. Glucoberry offers a natural and holistic approach to supporting healthy blood sugar levels, making it an appealing option for those seeking to maintain balance in their lives. Remember, consistent efforts towards a balanced lifestyle, coupled with products like Glucoberry, can pave the way for a healthier and more energetic you. Take the first step towards healthier blood sugar levels with Glucoberry and embrace the benefits of natural, sustainable well-being. Your body will thank you for it.